Mayor Maricel Echevarria Torres of General Mariano Alvarez or GMA Cavite is no longer holding the post in an acting capacity. Torres is now officially the leader of her municipality as she took her oath before Cavite Governor John Vic Remulla. She took over as mayor after her father, Mayor Walter Echevarria, relinquished his post for health reasons. As she officially assumed her post, she promised to carry on the lessons taught by her father. She also vowed to do all she could to give the people of GMA a prosperous life.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.